Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making an amazing Duck Confit goat cheese pizza on a Karma 32 from WPPO. So the first thing that we want to do is get a good fire going. So stack a couple of pecan sticks on top of each other, insert a fire starter, light on fire. And when you have a good fire going, you can add more pecan wood. We're using the Neapolitan style pizza dough from Urban Slicer, so you want to get the stone up to about 800 degrees. While we're waiting for the pizza oven to get up to temperature, it's time to prepare the caramelized onion. So pour some oil into a hot pan and then add 2 finely sliced onions. Now you want to carefully cook these on low heat until browned. When ready, set aside. Next you want to add some duck confit into the pan. You want to make sure that the duck confit is completely separated and heated up, and when it's ready, set it aside. Start shaping the pizza into nice 10-inch round Neapolitan style pizzas. Then you want to add a little bit of semolina flour to a pizza peel and carefully place the pizza on the peel. Now we want to add the first layer, which is some shredded fontina cheese. Add the duck confit to the pizza and put a lot on it. Then you want to add the caramelized onions, and you also want to add some finely chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Last but not least, we're going to crumble a good amount of goat cheese. The pizza is now ready to be baked, so place it in the oven. And now you want to bake it for about 2 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to rotate the pizza. And when the pizza has a nice crust, it's time to remove it from the pizza oven. The last thing we want to do before serving is drizzle the pizza with a little bit of balsamic glaze. And that is how I make my Duck Confit goat cheese pizza on the Karma 32 from WPPO. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this, and oh man, it looks amazing. So here we go. Oh, the duck confit, tons of flavor. You got the caramelized onion, and then you have the balance with the goat cheese. This is really good, and I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.